Salmon in orange sauce, incredibly delicious and easy to make. Set aside 700 grams of salmon. I'm going to season the salmon with salt and some black pepper. We're going to turn these salmon pieces over and repeat the process with the other side. After seasoning, it is time to fry. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of margarine and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, and we're going to carefully add the pieces. We don't want to burn ourselves. We're going to brown all the salmon in our oil and margarine. After a few minutes, one side of the salmon is ready. I'm going to carefully turn each piece over and we're going to fry it again. Now, salmon cooks pretty quickly, so you don't want to leave it for too long. After a few minutes, it's ready. Now I'm going to take our salmon and just place it on a plate. Now just take your time here and be very gentle because we don't want to break our pieces of fish. Just like this. In the same pan, we're going to prepare our sauce. I've got 3 chopped garlic cloves here. I'm going to add in 100 ml of white wine, 1 spoonful of honey, and we're going to stir and mix these ingredients. This sauce is wonderful and it is super tasty. And I just love that wine. It's going to give it such a special flavor. Now I'm going to add in the juice of 3 oranges. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch first and just give that a mix in the orange juice. Now, if you're using freshly squeezed orange juice, be careful that you don't add any seeds into your sauce. I'm going to pour that in and give it a good stir. And we're going to wait for a few minutes because this is going to start to thicken. All right, now that our sauce is looking good, we're going to add our salmon pieces back into the pan. Now, be very careful not to burn yourself. I always make this recipe at home, and my family absolutely loves it. The flavor is just incredible. Now we're going to let the salmon simmer in this delicious sauce. I'm going to put in some parsley and chives. Make sure you sprinkle it all over. And we're going to finish with some orange slices. It looks so beautiful and super tasty. And we're just going to let this cook for a few minutes. After boiling, our sauce is ready. We're going to serve this on a plate, and we're going to call up our family and friends to enjoy this with us. I hope you enjoy.